What if a function could pause mid-execution, hand you a value, and resume later? Meet yield. When Python hits a yield statement inside a generator function, the function immediately pauses and sends a value back to the caller. This is fundamentally different from return. Return exits the function permanently, but yield only suspends it. The function sits frozen in place, waiting patiently. The caller receives that yielded value and can do whatever it needs with it. Here's what makes generators truly powerful. Everything inside the function is preserved when it pauses. Local variables, loop counters, even the exact line of execution. All of it is frozen in memory. When the function yields, it's like pressing pause on a movie. The scene doesn't reset. It waits, holding its state, ready to continue from the exact same point when you need it. To resume the function, call next on the generator. Execution picks up right after the yield, running until the next yield or the function ends. Generators implement the iterator protocol, so they work seamlessly in for loops too. Generators evaluate lazily. They produce one value at a time, only when asked. This makes them incredibly memory efficient for large or even infinite sequences. Yield pauses a generator, preserves its state, and returns a value, making generators the go-to tool for lazy, memory-efficient iteration. Try building your own generator today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.